Suzlon, stock for almost in a year. On an average, I bought around 30 rupees, around 730 shares. Okay. And I'm planning to add few more shares over the year. And my, tenure is around 2 years. I just wanted some inputs on this.
All right. And why did you buy Suzlon in the first place, if I may ask?
The lot of social media influence that got brought me to there.
All right. So Anthony is asking for a long-term outlook on Suzlon. So Lancelot, what are the fundamentals of the company looking like?
So you see, Suzlon actually operates in a very interesting space, which is probably where everybody is looking at government increasing exposure to clean energy and renewable energy. And there's a lot of discussion about how companies can increase their clean energy footprint. And I think Suzlon should be a major beneficiary of all these initiatives. However, when you look at the fundamentals of the company in terms of its profitability and operations, it has a significant amount of challenges ahead, because while wind energy appears to be relatively easier or cheaper, it's very difficult to generate high power rates from wind, and also the seasonality and the reliability becomes an issue. So I think based on that, the company has been facing its own challenges in terms of being able to scale up its business and improve profitability. But recently, they have announced a couple of measures in terms of improving their, let's say, the operating leverage that they have in terms of trying to do a mix of solar and wind energy projects. And with the thrust of the government, it could see that significant improvement in terms of the business potential. But from a valuation perspective, the stock had really jumped up significantly over the last 12 months and it is expensive. So at this price, one has to really be committed to wait for 2-3 years before one can see decent returns from this stock.
Okay, so you're suggesting a hold on the stock?
Yeah, you can hold it. If you're a long-term investor, you may have to hold it for 2-3 years to get good returns from the stock.
Right. Aditya, on the short-term perspective, what is your take on it?
Sure. So we have seen stellar rally in this stock in last 3 to 4 years, but a lot of good fundamentals have been priced in, and the stock is experiencing selling pressure, even with positive market scenario, and even when we are seeing good rally in the market, this stock is not participating much in the rally. So there's some supply visible at the higher levels. So I would say that he's sitting on handsome gains. He could actually book profit at the higher levels, because I see the possibility of this stock going, below 60, 50. So he may get opportunity to buy at lower levels. So I'm of the view that it's a sell on rise candidate, and he should find opportunities to take profits home.
All right. We are going to slip into a very short break here on Ask Profit. But just to remind our viewers, we are taking your calls live. So do call us, and we will try and get your queries answered from our experts. The numbers, of course, flashing on your screen. So do pick up the phone and call us. We slip into a very short break. On the other side, we'll be back with more. Stay with us.